There is a variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain. In the delta area, Bengal tiger and crocodile are found. Aquatic life abounds in the fresh river water, the lakes, and the Bay of Bengal Sea. The most popular varieties of the fish are the rohu, Katla, and Hilsa. Fish are rice, and rice is the staple diet of the people living in the area. Look at the picture 8.11 and figure 8.12. And do you know terraces are built on steep slope to create flat surface on which crops are grown. The slope is removed to that water does not run off rapidly. Terrace forming. Do you know in the fresh water of river Ganga and river Brahmaputra a variety of dolphin locally called susu, also called blind dolphin, is found. The presence of susu is an indication of the health of the river. The untreated industrial and urban waste with high amount of chemicals are killing this species. Blind dolphin and lake, a source of livelihood, a case study. Binod is a fisherman living in the Matwali Mau village of Bihar. He is a happy man today with the efforts of the fellow fisherman Ravinder Kishore Rajiv and others. He cleaned the Mon or the Oxbow Lake to cultivate different varieties of fish. The local weed Valinaria hydrilla that grows in the lake as the food of the fish. The land around the lake is fertile. He saw crops such as paddy, maize, and pearls in these fields. The buffalo is used to plug the land. The community is satisfied. There is enough fish catch from the river, enough fish to eat, and enough fish to sell in the market. They have even begun supply to the neighboring town. The community is living in harmony with nature as long as the pollutants from nearby towns do not find their way into the lake's water. The fish cultivation will not face any threat. Do you know, to accelerate the efforts to achieve universal sanitation coverage and to put force on sanitation, the Prime Minister of India launched the Swachh Bharat mission on 2nd October 2014. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra plains has several big towns and cities. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata, all with the population of more than 10 lakhs, are located along the river Ganga. Figure 8.13. Look at the Varanasi along the river Ganga. The wastewater from these towns and industries is discharged into the river. This leads to the pollution of the river. All the four ways of transport are well developed in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. In the plain areas, that roadways and railways transport the people from one place to another. The waterways is an effective means of transport, particularly along the rivers. Kolkata is an important port of the river Hooghly. The main area also has a large number of airports. Do you know, to conserve the river Ganga, Namami Ganga program has been initiated. Tourism is another important activity of the basin. Taj Mahal on the banks of river Yamuna in Ganga, in Agra. Allahabad on the confluence of the rivers Ganga and Yamuna. Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Lucknow with its Imambara, Assam with Kaziranga and Manas with wildlife sanctuaries, and Arunachal Pradesh with a distinct tribal culture are some of the places worth a visit. Figure 8.14. A tiger in Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Exercise, answer the following question, take the correct option.